how to get people to comment on your YouTube videos. Hi, my name is Michael, and in today's video we are looking at how we get people to interact with our content. So let's go. So how do we get people to comment on our YouTube videos? Well, it's a hard one. It was something that I struggled with for many years, and I realized that the key thing was to make sure that my videos had the content so that people found the value and then would want to invest in me as an individual. So in my previous video, we talked about people investing in the content, and this is where you will know if your content is good enough, because people will want to know more. They will start to see you as an influencer within your industry. So say you're an accountant and you are making videos, and you've been making a series of videos and you're giving people some free advice, and you're helping people with maybe how to do a self-assessment. You're giving people value, and if someone sees the value in that and likes your videos and subscribes and sees you as that influencer within your industry, they will want to know more. They will then become more invested in you. So providing that the content is there, people will naturally start to comment on your videos. So it's a hard thing to get your head around at first, but you will notice and you'll know that you're doing the right things when people start to comment on your content. So, you know, the best thing to do in most situations, every time I do a video, I say, if there's anything I've not answered, please drop a comment below. That is a great introduction to get someone who doesn't know you fully to actually go, I'll drop a message, see if he can answer this question or see if they can answer that question. So by giving people a little bit of a nudge and saying, feel free to drop a comment below and I will get back to you, they will feel valued when you actually get back to them. So making sure that people comment is key. And when people start to invest in you as a person, they will start to become your mini army, your little sales team that will brag about you and talk about you to other people, and that's how you can grow successfully on YouTube. So I hope that this video has helped you. If there's anything I've not covered, I'd be more than happy to get back to you. Just drop a comment below. If you want to see more videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon.